How to get level 10 on Steam, Tutorial 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reach level 10 on Steam using Steam's official XP and badge system without using bots, exploits, or risky third-party services. First, understand how Steam levels work. Your Steam level is based on XP earned primarily through badges. At the early levels, every 100 XP increases your Steam level by 1. So reaching level 10 requires building up your profile XP through legitimate Steam activities. Start by opening Steam, clicking your profile name and selecting badges. This page shows your current Steam level, XP, available trading cards, and badges that you can work toward. One easy place to start is the Steam Community Badge. Steam officially describes this as one of the easiest badges to earn because you can progress by completing basic Steam community tasks. You'll also automatically receive XP through the Years of Service badge as your Steam account gets older. Next, check your games for Steam trading cards. Participating games can drop cards while you play, but Steam normally gives you only part of the complete card set through gameplay. To complete a set, you can trade duplicate cards with other Steam users or purchase missing cards through the Steam Community Market. Once you have the complete set, return to your badges page, select the game, and choose Craft Badge. Most standard game badges provide 100 XP when crafted. You can also collect another complete card set and upgrade the same game badge, with Steam allowing a standard game badge to be crafted up to 5 times. Each upgrade provides another 100 XP. Keep repeating this process with inexpensive card sets until you have enough XP to reach level 10. You may already have cards sitting unused in your Steam inventory, so check those before spending anything. Here's a pro tip: don't randomly purchase expensive trading cards. Check how many cards you already own and compare the cost of completing different badge sets. Completing several inexpensive sets can be much more economical than finishing one expensive badge. Once you reach level 10, Steam unlocks your first profile showcase, giving you another way to customize your profile. Level 10 also increases your eligible booster pack drop rate by 20% compared with the base rate. And that's how to get level 10 on Steam in 2026. Complete your community badge, collect legitimate trading cards, craft game badges for XP, and continue until your profile reaches level 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Steam tutorial you want to see next.